So all these TikTokers have one thing in common. They're all using one secret tool to increase their following and bring in millions upon millions of views. Now, I'm sure you thought their following were built organically from scratch, right? But in reality, all of these creators have used something that has never been seen before. A tool that allows you to buy real followers in no time without compromising on quality in any way. So in this video, I'm going to show you everything that goes into botting TikTok followers. And it's a full course for free on how you too can bot TikTok followers using a single tool that only costs less than $2. This means you don't have to struggle to build a social proof again. That's going to cost you time, effort, and will leave you frustrated. You're going to be able to do it all by yourself in just a matter of seconds. First, go to the Nazop website using the link provided in the description. Sign up or log in using your Google account. Once you're logged in, you'll see your balance displayed at the top and several navigation tabs on the left side of the dashboard. Here is the TikTok account we'll be using. It currently has 294 followers. That's about to change. Before placing any orders, you'll need to add funds to your Nazop account. To do that, click on Deposit. Choose from several payment options, including crypto, payer, perfect money, bank transfer, and card payments. For this example, if you select crypto and enter $100, you will receive an additional $9 bonus. After filling out your details and clicking pay, the funds will be added to your account instantly. Now go to New Order. You'll see various platforms like Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, and more. Select TikTok. Several service options will appear, including TikTok followers not guaranteed, TikTok followers guaranteed, high quality followers, country targeted followers. I chose TikTok followers guaranteed, which includes a 1-month refill policy. That means if followers drop, they'll be refilled within 30 days. Paste your TikTok profile link into the link box. Enter the quantity. I selected 200 followers. The total cost came to $1.30, which was within my budget. You can increase the quantity as needed. For example, 1,000 followers cost about $6. Click Purchase to complete the order. Within 2 to 3 hours, the followers began appearing on the TikTok account. The order was fully delivered, and the account is now up by 200 followers. If you want a chance to win free TikTok followers, comment social growth below. You might be one of the lucky winners. Hope you found this helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. See you in the next one.